Hello everyone, I'm Chung Chi Hsu. I'm from National Changhua University of Education, Taiwan. I'm delighted to be here with you in conference today. My topic today is the relationship between social capital and work performance, the mediating effect of workplace friendship, and the sense of achievement. This is the content of this research. The introduction of this research. First, this research explored the relationship between servant leadership and service behaviors, as well as the mediating effect of work engagement and perceived social impact. Second, this research based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs to explore the sense of achievement in work. Third, if the establishment of interaction through social capital makes civil servants the sense of achievement in work, will a positive effect have achieved good work performance? Is the literature reviews of this research. Common defined social capital is resource contained in social relations, which can promote important factors for individuals or groups to develop in the organization. Baker believes that social capital is to obtain resources through the relationship between individuals and enterprises. Fong believes that the leaders of the public sector can mobilize available social capital through the correct mentality and environment and establish a common goal. So this is my hypothesis 1. Social capital has a significant positive relationship with the friendship in the workplace. The more social capital, the better the friendship in the workplace. Some point out that in the Korean bureaucracy department, workplace friendship can guide employees to generate a positive work attitude and work performance. And friendship between superiors and lower levels also has a positive impact on employees and will have good work satisfaction and organizational results. And then, Bellow's social exchange theory believes that all social activities of human beings can be attributed to a kind of exchange. So this is my hypothesis 2. The friendship in the workplace has a significant positive relationship with work performance. The higher the friendship in the workplace, the higher the performance of the work. Next, the social capital theory of Lehman indicates the social capital is embedded in interpersonal relationships, whether it's friends, colleagues, family, or neighbors. These people are our social capital, and social capital is an investment. The first step of investment is to establish a relationship. Therefore, the first relationship established in the workplace is colleagues and supervisors. This is my hypothesis 3. Workplace friendship has a mediating effect on the relationship between social capital and work performance. Luskin indicates that American employees will have a sense of achievement due to workplace friendship, relationship, good work relationship, and social activities, mainly because they will evoke positive emotional reactions to others in their work. Jensen indicates that friends who meet in work can enrich their organizational life and bring happiness, and allow people to gain a sense of achievement in their careers, especially employees can get a sense of achievement together. So, the research hypothesis 4. The relationship in the workplace has a significant sense of positive relationships. The higher the relationship of the workplace, the more obvious the sense of work achievement will be. Becher believes that the organization shall develop social capital to achieve the participation of employees in order to ensure that everyone's recognition of the goals. Allow employees to increase their sense of achievement and establish trust, so as to act in accordance with the organization's vision and mission. This is my hypothesis 5. Social capital has a significant positive relationship with work achievement. The more social capital, the higher the sense of work achievement. According to Mackland, achievement motivation theory represents those who have high sense of achievement and will have a strong sense of competence and requirements for work. They have confidence and understand their strengths, so they can complete the task and have good performance results. Organic research said the impact of the sense of achievement of local government employees on work performance. The research results said that regardless of gender, they should often encourage employees to strive for achievement, because employees' sense of achievement significantly affects work performance. Their sense of achievement, their sense of accomplishment is based on the success and the ambitions of life. So this is my hypothesis 6. The sense of work achievement has significant positive relationship with work performance. The higher the sense of work achievement, the higher the performance of the work. The resource preservation theory proposed by Harvard indicates the resource refers to things or connections that individuals think of valuables. The value is meaningful for work or life. Resource will be put into work again. Correspondingly, when the individual has reached social capital, it will be able to invest more resources to operate in the organization. When there is a good operation, the individual will produce optimism and self-affirmation and achievement. The sense of psychological state will improve the work performance of the entire organization. Furthermore, this is my hypothesis 7. The sense of work achievement has a mediating effect on the relationship between social capital and work performance. These are the research participants and procedure. This research collected data from government civil servants. This study adopts a dedicated sampling and doesn't restrict the research object in order to allow this study to be representative, objective, and results. A total 308 questionnaires were returned. Structural equation modeling was used to test research hypotheses. Next, this picture is my structure, and here are my research stats. According to all information, the results confirm that all hypotheses are valid. Finally, the following are my conclusions and discussion. Workplace friendship will positively affect work performance. That is, when civil servants have good friendship in the workplace, civil servants will have positive work behaviors and attitudes, as well as innovative ideas, and will work harder to achieve organizational goals. As Alphabet research, a good workplace friendship positively affects job performance, and then social capital will positively affect workplace friendship. That is, when civil servants in the organization establish interpersonal cooperation and cultivate relationships, they will have interpersonal relationships with each other. As common research results, the more social capital, the better workplace friendship will be. It's my meeting report today. Thank you for listening. Wish you a good day.